Weeds pop up everywhere, especially the places you don't want them, like walkways, patios, gardens, playgrounds, hardscapes, and parking lots. Spraying toxic chemical weed killers where people and pets go makes no sense. Pulling weeds by hand is a hassle and takes forever. So how do you safely remove weeds without harming the environment? The SF Tools Thermal Weed Removal System is your answer. It destroys weeds on contact using precisely directed high heat without chemical residue, and it's easy to use for just about anyone. First, let's go over setting up the heat tool. The Shrinkfast 200 comes complete with heat tool, regulator, hose, and wrench. The fuel source must be a vapor withdrawal propane tank, just like a typical barbecue grill-style tank. Step 1 is to install the regulator to the fuel tank. Hand tighten, then fully tighten with the supplied wrench. Step 2 is to install the hose. First to the regulator, then to the heat tool. Use the wrench to tighten securely. For step 3, open the tank valve and observe the pressure gauge on the regulator. The pressure should read anywhere between 22 and 27 psi, which is the factory regulator setting. The Model 200 heat tool accommodates 2-foot, 4-foot, and 6-foot extensions. Installation is simple. First, remove the combustor from the heat tool by depressing the yellow button on the top of the combustor. Reattach the combustor to the extension. Now, attach the extension to the body of the heat tool. The heat tool is ready to be fired. We all know how fast weeds can take over an area. Watch how fast, effective, and safe the SF Tools Thermal Weed Removal System is at eliminating unwanted weeds. Whether you're a homeowner or a municipal or commercial property manager, you can tackle the weed growth easily, all without adding harmful chemicals to the environment. For best results, we recommend 2 treatments. The first pass should thoroughly kill the surface growth. A second pass within a day or 2 helps kill roots below the surface to prevent regrowth. Just look at these results from 2 easy treatments. To learn more about the SF Tools Thermal Weed Removal System and where to purchase in your area, visit sftools.com or give us a call.